Mentang ini page ya kini ki ansar mah ini ki iya coba nih debat MT jangka paper. Awu tu mah di paper warna tak ladin teh ada jangka paper tu. Dia tong ini page mah. Teh ane ka baning kong kedai which principle best practice the patterns of human development. Teh ane ka jumpa kedai ka nomor C cephaloko dance. Tekan ke nomor 2 part kedika which of the following best difference cities growth from development. Tekan ke jawab kedika growth is structural, development is functional. Tekan nomor 3 hang ne kedai physical change in size kedai. Tekan nomor 4 kedai at which stage of development do children actively engage in making believe play. Tehang ni kedai jawab kedai kan nomor A mah kedai early childhood mah. Tekan kan nomor 4 part which aspect of development involves coordination and control of body movement. Tekan kedai jawab kedai nomor 4 motor. Sekaban rek according to Jean Piaget, the stage where the child acquired the skill of using symbols language is ketika jawab ke nomor B ketika pre-operational stage. Ketika nomor new part according to Kobob, which stage of moral development is characterized by the individual focus on avoiding punishment. Ketika jawab ketika nomor A pre-conventional level. Ketika nomor pra which key factors influence a child's development according to Vygotsky. Ketika jawab ketika culture. Ketika nomor kendai ketika nomor D ketika gender bias. Ketika berspopar ke jawab ketika nomor B it aim to eliminate gender stereotyping. Terus akan nomor sau hang ke bakat way kadai ketika early childhood. Dahang ne kan nomor kat R ketika longitudinal study. Dahang ne ke way part ketika time consuming. Nakam dah tabe ban pulai kini ki question mah pi depth mah ta chupai le jong mah ta chupai tangga jawab mah. Dahang ne ketika answer ketika ancestral record mah ini kembali ka case study. Cross nak case study mah kembali ka case study. De hang ne kan nomor kat san kong. Dai jawab ke nomor B kong children may not always give a truthful response. De hang ne kan nomor kat reu pat ketika diversity mah. Ketika diversity. Tapi kat way ketika abakatnya wadika inclusion. Dekan ni nomor kat perapat ketika sosial mah. Ketika ni ke nomor kendai hang ni kadi jong u kadi ini u nomor stan hi u nomor B di u morphi. Dekan ni nomor perapat ketika skill of problem question. Dengan nomor 4 ketika ni nomor D mah temporary storage and manipulation of information. Dan ni ketika lesson plan mah tekno prepare kalau lesson plan te kaban kong kedai pin haban prepare. Teka bar kawan saka presentation mah. Kabalai kawan sa association kabakadu kawan saka kawan sa generalization kawan saka application. Ini kan nomor apply yang ni ketika equilibrium mah kemudian ketika accommodation ketika equilibrium. Tekan nomor pusau part yang ni ketika nomor B nomor A teacher is active and learner is passive. Tekan nomor pusan kedai kene motion of proxy modal development. Tekan arpun reu yang ni ketika ini kan berkali kali formative assessment. Berbalik formative assessment kali kebawan hanya yang during kawan kentin hang ni mah Wan ni kantin ka boong during the course. Tekno ba kata wong during the course mut ka hapa formative. Thang ni which aspect of blueprint ensure validity in assessment. Hani kadika mapping mo. Ketika Barnyeu, a teacher took her class for field trip, and after coming back, she discussed the trip with her students. It may be denoted as temut hang ne ngila tu ba awan ka kantin she discussed the trip with her student. Kemut ba hang ne kalawan no kalau kum ka feedback no. Kawan kum ka feedback no ba bari ka feedback adika assessment for learning. Assessment for learning kaya stream bat ka forme dika juk bat ka formative assessment mah kema bahaya kata te kanika number arp khandai pat kong what is child tool is primarily used te kanika dika jawab dika rubric te kanika number life pok ong number life pok kadla bandi kanika number 8 right remedial teaching is teaching process that facilitates the teaching in diagnosing learner difficulties. The try nakini ki question hang ne ba ngaru bakla ma. Ila se kim day to ki saya correct ma. Ila se kidon ma barangai der ngapade ma uba expert ba ma. Te tang kita try no ko be sibun.